Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make color roles inside of Discord Mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is open up Discord on your mobile device and then choose the server where you'd like to edit those color roles. So I'm just choosing my server for now. Now from here you want to click onto your server name. Then from here we want to go in and click onto settings, so the gear icon. Now from here under server settings, scroll down and you're going to see the option for user management roles. Click into that. Now from here we can go ahead and click on create role, or you might have a plus icon at the top. So click on create role, and now we want to give this role a name. So for this demonstration we're just going to call this moderator. From here we can go ahead and choose the role color. So click into that. Now I want moderator to be like a red color, or we got a color pick tool. So I might do the color pick tool and make this red. All right, so I'm going to drag it over here and choose red, like so. Select and go ahead and click on create. Now that's going to go ahead and create that new color role in Discord